Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Slider element. The Avada Slider is our very own lightweight slider option. For more information on how to create and populate Avada sliders, see the How to Use the Avada Slider video linked below. In this video, however, we are going to look at the simple helper element, the Avada Slider element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. There are two ways to add Avada sliders to your site. One way is to add the slider via the Slider tab in the Avada page options. I've imported the music pre-built site here, and if we go to the page options and sliders, we can see the hero container is indeed an Avada slider. It's a full screen slider, and as the header layout section has a transparent background, it also sits in under the header. If you want sliders elsewhere on the page, or you're concerned about page load speed, Avada sliders can also be added anywhere in your content by using the Avada Slider element. As an example, I'm going to add the Avada Slider element to the bottom of this live dates page. I've added a full width container and set the interior content to 100% width and removed all padding and margins. So now I will add the Avada Slider element into this column. If there are existing Avada sliders, it will add the first slider by alphabetical order automatically. And as it turns out, that's the one I want. As we can see in the element options, there are only a few. Full height is the next option, but I'll leave this at the dimensions I set in the slider. There's also a margin option for the element as a whole, and of course the usual element visibility option, which allows you to choose whether the element is displayed on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID fields, which allow you to further customize the element with custom CSS. Okay, so there's our slider. As I mentioned, see the How to Use the Avada Slider documentation to learn how to create an Avada slider, linked below. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.